Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the engine oil, the oil filter and air filter on Hyundai iX35 2.0 CRDI. First we're going to remove the engine cover, and underneath the engine cover is the oil filler cap. We're going to turn it anti-clockwise, the cap, and loosen it, but we're not going to remove it, just loosen it and leave it to stay there. Next we're gonna go underneath the car and drain the oil, and also the oil filter is on the rear of the engine. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the engine tray is removed, we have access to the oil filter, which is right there, and also we have access to the oil drain plug, which is right there. First we're going to remove the oil drain plug and let the oil to drain. Next we're going to remove the oil filter and replace the filter. Now we're going to replace the filter. First we're going to remove the old filter. We just need to pull it out. On the oil filter cap there is an O-ring that we need to replace. This is the new oil filter. I'm going to remove the O-ring and replace it with a new one. And I'm also going to remove the O-ring on this bolt that's on the bottom of the oil filter, replace the O-ring, and then put this bolt onto the oil filter and tighten it. Now that the oil filter is replaced, I'm going to put the drain plug back on and tighten it to specs. Before filling the new oil, I'm going to show you the service manual with all the filling capacities and tightening torques. We can see there's filling capacity of 8 liters for this engine, 39.5 Newton meters is the tightening torque for the oil sump bolt, and for oil temperature is 5W30 oil grade. It might differ to your country, depends on the temperature. Next, I'm going to fill the engine with oil. I'm going to put, since it's at 7.6 to 8 liters, I'm going to put around 7.5 liters and then check the oil level on the dipstick. Now that the oil is filled, I'm going to lift up the dipstick and check the oil level, but before being sure of what the oil level is, first you need to start the car so that the oil filter gets filled with oil. Wait 5 minutes and then check the dipstick and maybe put some more oil if necessary. If everything is alright, I'm going to put the filler cap on and then I'm done with replacing the engine oil. Next, I'm going to replace the air filter, which is located right there. You need to open, there's a couple of metal clamps that you need to open, and you just lift up the air filter box and replace the air filter. Now I'm going to put on the new air filter and attach the metal clamps, and then I'm done with replacing the engine oil and the air filter. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.